So hello guys, welcome back iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, I am using iPhone 12 Pro Max. I was really excited to know wireless charger method in it, but still when your iPhone 12 Pro Max not charging using wireless charger, I know it really disappointed. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone 12 wireless charger issue. So guys, I give you some tips and tricks about that, so easy to solve your problem. So guys, first one solution is place your iPhone properly on charger. Lot of iPhone 12 users reported to wireless charger not working. So guys, please place the iPhone 12 Pro Max properly on charger and easy to fix your problems. The second solution is most important. The solution is check whether your case support wireless charger or not, because ring holder and also bulky case which do not support the wireless charger, so remove the case and put your iPhone on charger, easy to fix your problems. So guys, solution third is most important. The solution is update your software in iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the control center in iPhone, then you can see also Wi-Fi option, so please Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad. Then come back in iPhone and iPad home screens, then again open the settings in iPhone, then scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also second option is software update. If you any software available, so please download and install, easy to fix your problems. The solution 4 is most important. The solution is restart your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings. In settings app, scroll down and find out the general. In general scroll down and last option is shutdown, so please tap on that. Then you can see also slide to power off. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad, easy to fix your problems. The solution fifth is force restart your iPhone and iPad. So guys, if you using iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, so guys first of all tap on the volume up button, then tap on volume down button and also press the power on off button. When Apple logo appear, then release the both button and easy to fix your problems. The last solution is reset all settings. So guys, first of all open the settings app. In settings app scroll down and tap on the general. In general scroll down and second last option is reset, so please tap on that. Then first option is reset all settings, so please tap on that and enter your passcodes. Then again tap on the reset all settings and easy to fix your problems. I hope these solutions working for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment section. Thank you so much.